chest, fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze, crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, how are you? It's Susie with Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. I'm still sick. I went to urgent care on Sunday, and they are treating me for pneumonia. So that's why I didn't do a video yesterday, or a short. Wasn't gonna do one today, but I want to wrap up the year. And on the last video, I talked about the yarn jars that I have. I have 3 of them that are done. So I've done them 3 years. I have to get a new one this year. Will be the 4th. But I like collecting all those yarn pieces. Anyway, I wanted to talk today about the ball bands. I have a bunch. I saved those 2 for the year. So I was going to do a short, but I knew I was going to talk about this a little more lengthy. So as I count, maybe I'll talk about the yarn, because I'm looking here. I have lots of the ice yarn ball bands, and that's when I made that sweater. That cardigan. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. This is that Picasso yarn. So I used, the thing's way too big. I won't even wear it out anymore. I don't know. Anyway, I'm counting these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 of the Picasso. So that's 10. Loops and threads, 11. Mandala, 12. Big twist, 13. So in this bag, I have 13 ball bands. This one, let's keep continuing here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm looking here, and this is yarn bee I have, and I'm thinking, I know now what I did with the yarn bee. 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I just dropped a bunch. I already counted them though. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So I went through 41 balls of yarn last year. And it seems that between the ice yarn and loops and threads, those were the ones I used most. So that's that. I don't know. I like to know how much yarn, I guess. It's so weird because it's not like I used everything out of my stash. And a lot of those, now I'm thinking about it, those loops and threads were for the hats. Yep. Trying to think why, but yeah, it's the hats I made, those elf hats. So, yeah, so that's that. I'm going to continue this year. I'll probably do the same thing again. I just don't know. Cassie, she had mentioned last year when I did this about, you know, putting them in a little, almost like a folder type thing to keep them. Because I was like, what am I going to do with them? Where am I going to put them? So that's what I might do. And she always has good ideas. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. And I'm not sure how many shorts or videos I'm going to have up this week. But have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, liking. Please do all those things. It really helps. And I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Patterns rough, but it's got heart in it.